Yeah, hello children. We are doing circles and we have covered some long answer questions in the previous class. However, since we have gone through the formulae, let us try to do at least one or two questions in every formula which we have discussed in the concept. Okay. So right now in front of you, you have a very simple question. Find the equation of circle with center and radius given below. So this is the center and this is the radius. And what is the formula, my dear children? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. This is applicable when the center is a comma b and radius is r. So equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square is what? 5 square. You are interested, you can simplify, otherwise you can leave it there. I will simplify. Minus into minus is plus, so it is x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 5 square 25. So what you are going to get, the answer will be x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y. What is 1 plus 4? 5. Now 5 minus 25 will be minus 20 is the equation of circle. Please try to understand and adjust with that. Now center is a comma b. So equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b. In place of b you have minus b whole square is equal to r square. R square means what, sir? A plus b whole square. So if you expand, you will get x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square, minus into minus is plus b square plus 2by is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Any cancellations are possible? Of course, a square and b square will get cancelled. Shift everything to the left hand side and you get x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2by minus 2ab is equal to 0 is the equation of circle. So simple it is. What about this? You will write as x minus cos alpha whole square plus y minus sin alpha whole square is equal to r square is 1 square. And if you expand, you are going to have x square plus cos square alpha minus 2x cos alpha plus y square plus sin square alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 1 square 1. Meanwhile, what is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? I can remove and write it as 1. So you will get x square plus y square. This is x square and this is y square. Minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha plus 1 is equal to 1. Now 1 will come this side. This will get cancelled. You will get x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 0 is the equation of circle. How will you handle this? Same. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 9 square. Simple circle. So it is x square plus y square is equal to 9 square. How much is what? 81. So this is how you will find, and we have done this problem based on the formula x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So here I am trying to do at least one or two questions based on one formula which I have discussed in the concept. So I will give you some time to copy the video. You can pause and copy the video and then we will move for the next problem. Yes children. Now again one more question in front of you. I read the question for you. Find the equation of circle passing through point 2 comma minus 1 and having center on the line 2 comma 3. So you have to find the equation of this circle which is passing through what point? 2 comma minus 1. Let me call this point as A, right? How much is that? 2 comma minus 1. Let me call this point as C, center. Center, having center, not on the line, having center 2 comma 3. The center is what? 2 comma 3. So you have center, you have a point. Tell me what you want. When you know the center, what you require is a radius. And the radius is nothing but this distance. I will say we know that. Starting you will say let A is equal to 2 comma minus 1. C is equal to 2 comma 3. We know that radius is equal to distance CA. How do you find distance CA? Distance formula. 2 minus 2 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Means minus 1 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 2 is what? 0 square. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 square, 16. Square root of 16 is what? 4. So you got the radius, you have the center, and it's just a previous problem. How do you do that? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So x minus a, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square. Radius how much you got? 4 square. Simplification I will leave it to you. It's very simple question, you can simplify. Now I want you to note the next question. Find the value of a and b if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Right? Now this is a second degree non-homogeneous general equation, and I hope you remember the condition. What is the first condition? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. What is the quotient of x square? A. And what is the quotient of y square? 3. So your first job is done. A is equal to 3. The second condition we have, right? I hope you have gone through the concept. Coefficient of xy is equal to 0. What is the quotient of xy here? B. B is equal to 0. What is the question asked? Find the value of a and b. So if you can remember the condition, these are simple problems. So I want you to pause the video, copy the question and try to do the problem on your own. Okay? Meanwhile, we'll go for the next video. Copied? Okay children, I want you to copy the next question. They're all VSAQ 2 marks category question completely based on the formula. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0 represents a circle whose center is 2, 3. Find g, f and radius. See, what is the center? Center is minus g, minus f, right? Which is equal to how much? 2, 3, and that is given to you. So therefore, minus g is equal to 2 and minus f is equal to 3. Means g is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3. You got the g value, you got the f value. So, and by comparing with standard form, we have c is equal to minus 12. So, you know g, f and c. So, we are supposed to find the radius. Radius formula is root of g square plus f square minus c. So, it is under root of, what is g square? Minus 2 whole square, 4, plus f square minus 3 whole square, 9, minus c. C is how much? Minus 12. So, it is root of minus plus 9 plus 4, 13 plus 12, which is equal to 25. Therefore, radius is equal to plus 5 units. Next question. If you can see, once the question is over, you can pause the video and you can copy the question. Alright, you can do that practice. Next question. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle with radius 6, find the value of c. So simple it is. What I do is, solution, comparing with general equation of circle we have. What is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So I will say 2gx value is minus 4x. 2fy value will be what? 6y. C is anyhow c. So x cancel, you have g is equal to minus 2. Y cancel, you have f is equal to 3. C is already c. Now he says the radius is 6. I will say but radius is equal to 6. What is the formula for radius? Under root g square plus f square minus c is equal to 6. Under root of g square, what is g square? Minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is what? 4. Plus f square. F square is what? 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. Minus c is equal to 6 square. Sorry. It is equal to what? 6. Now to remove this square, I have to do squaring on both sides. To remove the square root, I have to square on both sides. So it will be root of 9 plus 4 is 13 minus c whole square is equal to 6 square. Square root will be cancelled. You are left with 13 minus c is equal to 6 square, 36. So now 13 minus 36 minus c will go to the other side, c. So answer is 3, 2 with a minus sign. So what is the value of c? Minus 23. So I am sure you are able to follow because they are purely related to the center of the circle, radius of the circle formula. So I want you to pause the video, copy the problem, maintain the notes for that, and then we will go for the next variety of problem based on other formula. Have you copied? Okay. Yeah. Again a simple question. Find the center and radius for the following circles. So what am I going to do? I will say comparing with general equation of circle. What is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Make sure that whenever you are comparing, the quotient of x square and y square is unity. It should be 1. Now here it is in the standard form, no issues. So when I compare, 2gx value is what? Minus 4x. 2fy value is what? Minus 8y. And c value is what? Minus 47. X cancel, g is equal to minus 2. Y cancel, f is equal to what? Minus 4. C is equal to minus 41. Now center, what is the center? Center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f is what? 2 comma 4. And then immediately you have to find radius. Radius is formula root square g square plus f square minus c. So it is under root g square. G square is 2 square 4 plus f square is what? 16 minus c. C is how much? Minus 41. Minus minus plus. So it is under root of 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 41 will be 61. So the center is this and the radius is this. Fantastic. Now see here. Next question. Now this is not in a standard form, because the quotient of x square and y square is not 1. So I have to convert this entire equation into standard form. So I will say dividing the above equation by 3. We have, what do we have? It is x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 6 by 3 is what? 2y plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Now once you convert, this has converted into a standard form. I will say by comparing with general equation of circle. We know that. What is the 2gx is equal to minus 5 by 3x. What is 2fy is equal to minus 2y. What is c is equal to 4 by 3. X cancel, you have g is equal to minus 5 by 2 3s are 6. Y cancel, f is equal to what? Minus 1. And what is c is equal to, as usual, 4 by 3. What I want is center. What is center? Center is minus g comma minus f. So that is equal to minus or minus plus 5 by 6. Minus or minus plus 1. Now you are interested in radius. Radius is equal to formula root of g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to under root of g square. What is g square? 5 square, 25 by 6 square, 36. Plus f square. What is f square? F square, that is 1 square. Minus c. Minus c is what? Minus 4 by 3. So the radius. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 36. 36 goes 1 time. So it is 25 plus 1 goes 36 times. 36 ones are 36. 3 goes 12 times. 12 fours are 48. So radius is equal to under root of, what is 36 plus 25? 61. It is 61 minus 48 by 36. Now r is equal to, what is 61 minus 48? It is equal to 13 by 36 under root. So this is the radius and this is the center. You can see there is one more question I have to convert. How will you convert this into standard form? By dividing the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? You might feel it is 1. It is not 1. See, 1 plus m square is there. So I will say divide the equation by root 1 plus m square. So what do you get? X square plus y square minus 2c by root 1 plus m square into x minus 2m cy by root 1 plus m square is equal to 0. Now this is the standard form of circle. Now by comparing with general equation of circle, we have 2gx value. What is 2gx value? Minus 2cx by root 1 plus m square. What is 2fy value? 2fy value is minus 2mcy by root 1 plus m square. Now x cancel, 2 cancel, you are left with g is equal to minus c by root 1 plus m square. Similarly, f cancel, 2 cancel, y cancel, 2 cancel, f is equal to minus cm by under root 1 plus m square. And children, there is no constant. So the formula c is equal to 0. Don't get carried away with this c and the formula c. The constant which belongs to the standard form, this constant is not there. So that value is 0. So I got the g value, f value. So therefore, what is the center? Center is minus g comma minus f. So how will you write? Minus g means minus of minus plus c by root 1 plus m square. Minus of minus plus cm by root 1 plus m square. After this, there is one more point left called as radius. How do you find the radius? Under root of g square. G square means you have to square this. C square by 1 plus m square. Plus f square. What is f square? C square m square by 1 plus m square. Minus 0 because the constant is not there. So radius is equal to under root. What is the LCM? LCM is 1 plus m square, and you are having what? C square common, 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square will get cancelled. Under root of c square is equal to c. So therefore for this problem the radius is c. Alright, so these are the few simple questions based on the formulas which we have discussed. There will be another class wherein which few more additional VSAQs will be covering. So meanwhile I want you to go through the concept and practice this problem and try to do without looking at the video. Thank you, take care and bye-bye.